Alright guys, I'm here at the 67 C30. I'm going to try and start it up. I had the battery charger on it this morning. It's got a 283 in it. It's a little muddy in here for some reason. But anyways, got to move it because it's sunk in the ground. So I didn't prime it at all or anything. So let's see what happens. It's been a while since it's ran, 4 or 5 months maybe. Pull out the choke if it wants to work here. Alright. There it goes. Oh, died. Yeah, there she goes. It's been a long time for this thing. Alright, I'll get back at you here. Well, here she is. Got her out. She was sunk in a little bit, so. But, we redid this last summer. Wasn't the best rebuild, but it's just a work truck, so. Still not completely done. Got to put the bumper on and everything. The paint came out pretty good, though. It's just got true dual cherry bombs with headers. So, yeah, it runs pretty good once it warms up. So, but yeah, this is the C30. Not many of these around I've seen, so kind of a rare truck. All right.